Hi, I'm Hannah.
Hi, I'm Katie and we're SEO specialists at Kaweb, and today we're going to be going through some of the top questions asked by Google about SEO. First question, is SEO dead?
So I think there's a few reasons why people might think that SEO is dead, or maybe put that out there as a rumour that SEO is done for. But one of the main reasons that might happen is if they've been burned by an agency in the past, if they've had some dodgy SEO work done, or if they've been hit particularly hard by an algorithm change.
Yeah, I agree. I think sometimes when people think about other digital marketing methods like PPC or social media and they see results faster, sometimes they can then think if SEO is slower then SEO is dead in that sense as well.
Yeah.
And actually that's not the case, in that SEO can be a longer term game, and actually you can see results, it's not instant necessarily.
Yeah, absolutely, and there's loads of statistics to support that SEO is still well and truly alive.
Second question, is SEO worth it?
So obviously we're a bit biased
Agree on
here,
that.
but yeah, we think SEO is worth it, and again there's loads of stats to support SEO improvements for a range of different businesses. But obviously the biggest thing for knowing if it's worth it is to have means to track your results.
Yep. For example, you would want a way of measuring your rankings, your organic rankings, to see where your keywords that you would want to rank for are actually performing. So that would include kind of monitoring your search volume, monitoring your actual position, but also monitoring where your competitors are performing as well. And then having a good Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager setup as well is really, really important.
Yeah, 100%. It's not obviously just about your keywords. You're optimizing for search engines, but your end goal is of course return on investment.
Yeah.
So are those keywords driving the right sort of traffic that then means you're getting conversions or getting sales?
Yeah. Last question, is SEO free?
So there's kind of two answers to that question. The process of learning how to optimize the site, there's loads of free resources to be able to do that. But from an agency perspective, no, it's not free, because it takes a long time to build up that expertise and then also to apply all of the changes that you know about.
A lot of companies can tend to take their SEO in-house if they have the time and the resources to do that. But when you obviously go with an agency that knows the know-how and the knowledge and actually the best practices of what works and what doesn't necessarily work, that can get you a higher quality result in the long run as well.